what's up? So today we are going to be unboxing this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box. So if you'd like to see what's inside this box for the month of May 2023, then just stay tuned. A little disclaimer, Ipsy did send me this box to try. All right, so opening up this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box, we have the product card, which says, "Let yourself bloom. Bring on brighter days and warmer weather. There's a new season on the horizon, so get outside, feel the sun on your skin, but don't forget the SPF, and allow yourself to bloom into your full potential." And then inside this card, there are SPF myth busters. So there are myths and facts to your SPF. And there's actually a few on here that I had no clue about. All right, so setting that card aside, let's start with the first product, which is the Beauty Stat Universal C Skin Refiner. This is for all skin types. It's got 20% vitamin C. It brightens, retexturizes, and firms. So this is clinically tested to decrease the look of fine lines and wrinkles, as well as improve your skin's firmness. And this is fragrance free as well as dermatologist tested. Next in this month's box is the Thebriabeauty Play a Dreams Duo Highlighter. And this is such a cool product, you guys, because looks a little something like that. Because it has a cream as well as a powder. So this is truly a product that can cater to everyone. If you need a cream highlighter, you have one right here. And if you need a powder, it is right here. And I thought it was so cool that this has a little shield so that way your powder dust won't get all over the cream. And I do have this on my cheeks today, and as you can tell, it is just blinding. Next, we have the iconic London Beachside Babe eyeshadow palette. And you guys, this palette is so gorgeous. And I know I say that about every single palette that I get, but holy cow. Can we talk about this? It is so stunning. I just want to go through and like finger swatch some of these shades for you guys because they are blinding. So here we have Oyster, Paradise, Sundown, Vacay Glow, and Golden Hour. Holy cow. So stunning. And I have this palette on my eyes today. Next, we have another super cool product, and this is by Lovecraft Beauty. This is the Dark Dimension Dual Tip Liquid Liner. And this is a double-ended liner. So one end is thin, and then the other one is a little thicker. So you can really customize your liner for the day, whether you want it thicker, thinner, or want to do a graphic liner. And last but not least, in this month's Boxycharm Ipsy box, we have the Style Dry Pineapple and Coconut Prep and Prime Polishing Primer. This has horsetail plant extract in it, which is really going to nourish your hair, make it super soft and healthy looking. And you guys, this smells so, so good. The Boxycharm box is the second option that you can choose from on the Ipsy website. It is $28 a month. You get 5 full-size products, and they all equal out to be over $200, so it's a steal. Well, that is it, you guys, for this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box. I just want to say a big thank you to Ipsy for sending me yet another box to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.